Hello people, you welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson, bringing you this update of the Bbnaija season 8 all-star season as a day hot. Now it is week 8 and the housemates are remaining like 12 aside to Mashallah because he might be leaving next week and we're expecting the crazies of the crazy. Now in this video I'm going to give you updates on the head of house and the BFFs, the Gbas Gbos that obviously wanted to happen or happened between Angel and Whitemoney, the crazy twist to the black envelope and nomination because Big Brother has a lot up his sleeves and I must say it's going to be crazy. Now of course I'm going to just let you know now that I wouldn't be attaching any Bbnaija videos to my video, please, because of copyright issues. And if you don't like that, you could check other channels, watch it and come back here. Let us banter. It is a family we're creating here, so of course that's just what it's going to be. Our Big Brother team updated that today's black envelope challenge, whose fate will be sealed. So according to what it is, it seems like these housemates might have, just like last week we had an automatic nomination, this might be an automatic eviction tonight. Now we don't know. Big Brother already told the housemates that you can choose to not participate in the black envelope challenge, but of course there are risks and then there are rewards. Now first off is the fact that Cross became the 7th head of house, because the first week there was no head of house, the 7th head of house in Big Brother's house, and this time he decided to choose Adekunle, Pere, Neil and Whitemoney as his BFFs. Now of course these other guys might have been in the head of house two times thereabouts. Whitemoney, this might be his 4th, and Cross likes good food. I feel Cross is going to use this time to build back his friendship and bond with Pere. Since today the both of them have been dull, they haven't spoken to each other a lot. Cross keeps zoning out, like I really don't understand. He's missing his rib. So of course, whilst the housemates were waiting to get to start the black envelope and nominations, here was Venita and Adekunle in the kitchen having a conversation about the fact that they think there would be a plot against them. Adekunle is scared that his name will be the first in everybody's lips, while Venita is actually saying that although she knows people will come for her, she feels like people would actually come for the both of them. That's just going to be the plot. However they are ready and they're waiting to see how it goes. Now, of course, while Big Brother gave the rules, the wager tax for this week, which is going to be that the housemates are to create a sporting event and make it look good. Obviously, we're going to see how it goes later this week. We noticed that while they were discussing on how it's going to be, Angel was passing Whitemoney's back and said, this house safe, all of Natu like Kuala. And then Whitemoney was like, I don't understand. Give us a solution now. You'll be saying we like Kuala. That's not right. Soon these guys started going at each other. Hey, no find my mouth too. I can't see why can't they come for me now? I only said this thing. Don't come for me. Did you see me contributing there? Angel, obviously. Whitemoney was like, that why you don't do sha. You'll not be saying that kind of thing. It's not cool. I like the fact that Whitemoney didn't continue talking like most other guys in the house will do. Later, Angel read the brief for this week's wager task. So according to what I understand by the black envelope rights, I feel if one person finds the automatic nomination of eviction, they will have a few number of housemates up for eviction. But if we don't find it, if no one finds it, then all of them might be up for eviction. It was so funny to see that Alex decided that she was not going to join in the search for black envelope. Housemates started searching for black envelope. I'm wondering, why did Venita enter swimming pool? Either way, the search for the envelope started and a lot of things happened. A lot of people didn't really want to participate, but then nobody found the black envelope. Sadly, it was just one envelope and Big Brother hid it in the parrot's wing and he read immunity. These guys were really regretting not being serious about it. And then we had a conversation where Pere and Cross and Angel were having a conversation in the bathroom about nominations, and she was telling them that she heard that the both of them were going to nominate her up for eviction, and they denied it. They were like, what? Tell us who said it. It's a lie. Pere told her that he has sworn to her that he would never nominate her. And then of course Cross, who is already immune, was poking her. She later told him that it was actually Adekunle who said it. And I don't know what this is going to create, but I cannot wait to see how that actually unfolds. And also talking about the same Adekunle, after everything, the housemates were waiting in the lounge. Bbnaija was making Pere's hair. Angel was on top of Somadina's lap, and of course Adekunle was beside Bbnaija. And here Angel was having a conversation saying, that she has been looking at the guy's bum in the house, and there's somebody who has a small bum. Okay, somebody called somebody a small bum, or somebody called Angel a small bum, or something like that. And then she said that the person who has the smallest butt in the house is Pere, and it's so strong, it's annoying. And then she went on to say, she has tapped in some people's bum. And Adekunle was saying that, then Angel went on to add that she's going to actually continue tapping people's bum. Adekunle was like, Bbnaija, can you hear that? I'm like, excuse me, are you reporting Angel to Bbnaija just in case she taps your bum? Like, ew, what's that? I beg, I like your relationship with Bbnaija, but stop doing that shit. So, of course, Angel started mentioning the people she have tapped. I said, why would she tap Adekunle's own? That doesn't concern her and stuff. But we're waiting for live eviction nomination and what might turn out to be tonight. Now, this nomination that I'm going to talk about is going to be random, without their pictures, just random, right? Bbnaija nominated Alex, CeeC, and Mercy. Somadina nominated sheggz, Ilebaye, and Whitemoney. Neil nominated Alex, CeeC, and Mercy. Mercy nominated Pere, Adekunle, and Neil. Whitemoney nominated Neil, Somadina, and CeeC. Alex nominated sheggz, Adekunle, Bbnaija. Pere nominated Alex, Soma, and Mercy. Ilebaye nominated Neil, CeeC, Whitemoney. sheggz nominated Angel and Alex. Angel nominated sheggz, Ilebaye, and Whitemoney. Adekunle nominated Alex, CeeC, and Mercy. CeeC nominated Adekunle, Pere, and Ilebaye. Cross nominated Mercy, CeeC, and Alex. Now, however this goes, it's going to be crazy because it seems like it's the top dogs that might be up for eviction, the likes of Pere, CeeC, Mercy, and let's say Neil and Bbnaija. But however way, it's going to be a week of vote your best. As it is, that leaves it that Neil has 3 votes, CeeC has 6, Adekunle 3, Mercy 5, Ilebaye 3, Whitemoney 3, Alex 5, Pere 2, Somadina 2. Big Brother is going to announce housemates for eviction on Sunday. This week is going to be crazy. After all, it's remaining 2 weeks. So, of course, guys, I'm going to bring you that update throughout the week and more that happens. So stick around, and we don't need to waste our time. We're going to make the poll for whom you want to see this week, and I'll see you on the next one.